All right, man.
What's up?
Yeah, what up?
What's up?
Damn, you guys are checking in right now?
Chuck. Yeah. Got
All right, man. What we doing, Joaquin?
We are about to lift up this engine and put it on the, where the fuck it go? Engine stand. That thing.
Strap it up. All right, man. So what'd you do it last time? Where do you think the center?
The center? I think this one right here, the second one.
Yeah. All right. So I'm gonna do it through these two right here.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm sure your tying skills are better than mine. We didn't.
That they are or they aren't?
Mine aren't bad. Mine aren't. I have horrible knot tying skills.
Oh shit, that's the second person.
Are you serious?
We didn't tie that.
Someone did it on the other one, on that one, huh?
Yeah. Yes, I was about to
We
say.
actually
Like,
got to go on your knees.
I was about to say, yeah.
We had to like do the fucking cylinder.
Yeah, and once it's in the air, we could just turn it. I think it lets you.
Yeah, it just turns all the way.
Yeah, a little bit. You probably do. We grab it like this, and we just turn it like this, and we could get it to get on the to this,
Hold on.
to this, to this, to this. The PCV valve.
Oh, the one we just.
You replaced that was broken on the other one. Yeah, we don't want to break this one. I mean, it won't do anything, but you know, better than having to break it broken. You know.
Come on, you bitch.
Just
we have to get them off.
Straight get the strap right there.
Oh.
yeah, I don't know, dude. We'll see how this works. I have a feeling it's gonna teeter totter, and we're gonna have to find a way
To balance it out.
Yeah, like we just like someone can stand on it and shit. Like who here weighs 300 pounds?
Can you imagine?
I'm close to it.
Awesome.
Anything with any sort of
As
alcohol.
long as it fucks me up, it's for me.
Alright, let me go get
Bottle Jameson.
That's the way.
Show.
Yeah, my parents came back finally.
Oh, really?
It was about to ask too. Like,
About like 3 months?
yeah,
bad.
it's as long as it's been since your car's blown up too. 3 months.
Yeah.
Just about, yeah.
Yeah.
December.
Yeah.
2 months. 2 months.
2 months. It's been 2 months. Damn, that's right, huh? International Alcoholics Anonymous.
Hey, whoa, wait. It's because I get drunk in 2 different countries.
They start attacking me.
You never know, bro. All right, Joaquin. So far, you've had the best streak on shit done right.
Yeah, right.
Wait, is this a contest?
No, it's just
I'm gonna fuck it up.
Joaquin's the only one who's been doing good shit around here, man. But
I'm the only one that went to school for this shit.
right. Oh yeah. I mean, it wasn't like I would have busted your balls like I legit like you know what I'm saying. We need you.
I was like, I would hope I'm doing shit right.
Yeah. So far, so good.
I was like,
so
I think
you
myself, I don't know about you,
Yeah.
I'm right off street smarts.
yeah. I'm going off like
A lot of this is like street smarts though.
yeah, a lot of shit. Yeah.
Like fixing that fucking, the thread on that fucking bolt.
Yeah, that was pretty dope. They don't teach that in school, huh?
That's like shit like, oh fuck, how can I do this? Oh
Yeah.
wait, what if this works? Let's
Right.
try it.
That's right. It gets everyone. Holy shit. It's getting all 3 of you guys like.
Are you serious?
But me. Yeah.
Oh.
This video is
Gotta love
sponsored by
GoPros.
Toyota.
Or you have a Toyota?
Corona.
Corolla.
If he ever sees this fucking video.
It started raining like at 3. I tried to go home. I was like, yo, send me home.
Oh yeah, huh? Yeah, that's right.
They're like, nah, we need you. It's like, no, you fucking don't.
Hey. Overtime.
Fuck that. They don't even let.
No.
Yeah, they don't let you.
Basically, pretty much.
Yeah, we'd rather work you to shit than not
And,
pay you extra.
and then I was like, fuck you guys, and I left.
No, yeah, it's all bullshit. It's all bullshit.
I've only worked at one place where they were like, yeah, no, we need to get shit done. You guys need to work an extra 2 hours. Like,
That was
fuck!
Yeah, I know.
Dude, my fucking grandpa's place was exactly like that, man.
Yeah.
We'd get there at 4:30, and sometimes we wouldn't leave till like 7.
Yeah.
It came to the point my boss was like, yeah, we're gonna start doing, 10-hour days, all 5 days. I was like, fuck.
Do you have any?
This isn't off the pallet yet, right?
No, not yet. So you're gonna just remove it off the pallet, lift it up, and then. Good shit, good. There you go. Joaquin got it. You can say, man, Joaquin is just on fire, man. Like he's like Kareem Abdul-Jabbar.
Why don't you try cutting it right here? No, you don't gotta put that much force on it.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Actually, which card do I have? No, I took my tools out. Never mind.
Yeah. This is what I say. I kind of like go like this, or you're just doing. Yeah, like that would work too.
They wrapped it.
Ah, fuckers. These fuckers.
They what? Oh.
So they looped it around a few times, and then twisted it.
Oh.
It's smart. I wouldn't do it, but it's because I wouldn't think of that. Just one quick tie around, it holds.
That's it. Yeah, that's what we gotta do.
Send that baby home.
All right, you ready? Is it all? Is it completely off the pallet? We'll see right now. First, you get this on the shot, dude.
How's that sound go?
What the fuck? Damn, bro! They even send you free tools. That's how you put it. You see, you put the car together. You know. You know.
Okay, now it's definitely.
Yeah, it's definitely off.
How's
Yeah.
that sound go?
The teetering and shit?
Yeah, for sure.
And you'll see.
There it goes.
Oh fuck! Try to like turn it.
World full of OSHA violation.
Okay, it's literally off the. You just slide it out. Oh fuck, dude.
Not yet. Hey. It's lifting us.
Dude! Alright.
Drop that leg.
I can't drop mine. I have the header. And then here's a pin.
We just gotta put our weight back.
Hey, drop this leg over here. Pull the engine, pull the engine. Pull it.
Hey, as long as we put our weight back.
That was good.
Dude, this is so fucking scary. Holy fuck.
I see it's your first time doing sketchy stuff.
Holy, no, this is sketchier than usual. Holy fuck.
Welcome to the club.
Not that I did it, but I ran on top of a forklift.
Oh, fuck.
Not professionally.
It's not gonna go. Try it. Yeah.
No, it has to go down.
Yeah, just get it,
Oh, sheet metal cuts like a motherfucker.
No, it does.
Yeah.
And it's.
Alright, thanks, Austin.
No, probably you can take it. I don't need it.
Did you really want it? Alright,
We gotta push it out.
mm-hmm. I'm trying to bring it. I'm scared. Oh, look at that. That's perfect. It's over here.
I didn't take that.
Watch your fingers.
Ah, my finger. Wait, hold up. Alright.
Oh.
Go.
Fucking guy.
No, the fucking O2 sensor wire.
Alright.
My leg!
There we go. Nice. It's almost like we're professionals. All your neighbors must hate you, bro.
Yep. I wouldn't be surprised.
But you're fucking
Who
idiots.
gives a shit?
Hey.
Damn kids working in the fucking car again.
It's barely 8 o'clock. It's fine.
That one day at fucking 5 in the morning.
Oh, I wasn't here for 5
We were here till
hours
like
party.
3 in the morning,
I
dude.
know.
It's nothing. We're fine.
All right,
God
cool.
damn it.
Don't worry about it. No professional, please.
We got tools.
Bro, professional even consists of minimum wage, man.
Yeah.
As long as you're paid for what you do, you're a professional.
Yep.
I'm getting paid in beer, so fuck it.
you're
Hey,
I'm happy.
It counts as payment. We're all pros here.
We're all pros, yeah.
I'm happy.
I mean, I'm still 312 facts.
All right, so
I'm just kidding,
right
bro.
Here, this there, these two, these are adjustable too. I think they're 3/4.
This one, right?
Yeah, that one. I have one that I dropped. That scared the crap out of Austin.
The big ass one?
Yeah. Austin was like, bro.
What?
Yeah, that's the one.
Oh.
You can also use those ones too because they're made for this car specifically.
What's that right there?
I don't think that's.
No. We can just take it off. Can you take out the harness?
No, I was trying to move it this way. We're trying to move it this way.
Oh, right there. That's fine. Yeah, never mind.
No, Joaquin, stop. We don't need it no more. Stop being an overachiever.
Yeah, dude. You know what? No.
We're here to, barely pass.
Alright, I'm going home then.
Thank you.
That's what I'm saying, man. He's the reason why anything's getting done around here. Because he's overachieving. Fuck, you don't have 3/4.
Man, I want to get this done. Not as much as Austin does. But I
Yeah.
want to get this done.
That's what I'm saying.
So I can put it in my resume.
Yeah. You know what? Dude, yeah, you have video proof of it too.
Yeah, fuck. I have video proof of me saying what I did.
Like Noah says, well, you've done it once, you've got experience. Yeah, I drove a forklift into a wall. But I have experience driving forklift.
Doesn't matter where.
It doesn't matter how it went. Just push it. That's why we have 4 people doing this.
All right, well, we'll do it then. Yeah.
Joaquin, you're the muscle. Get to it.
I'm trying to think.
Yeah, because swinging is gonna be a bitch.
If it swings back.
Yeah, this is gonna be teeter-tottering like a motherfucker. The only way would be shortening this. So tie the knot like right here and grab it so it's, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
That's the only way I can see it.
That makes sense.
Right.
Just let it go?
Yeah, that's fine. That's it.
Is
That's
it?
flat.
Yeah, whatever.
So basically, yeah, so try to tie a knot a little bit closer. He's the man for the job. Yeah.
It's not because it's still loose.
Oh, it is?
I was like, what's going on?
I tied it up.
I was like, sticking, pumping. I was like,
It's not moving.
it's not moving.
It go
I
up.
thought this thing broke.
It
I was
come
like,
down,
fuck.
it go up, it go down. I was like, fuck, it's loose.
Oh, that's much better. I'm gonna have to throw up the clutch, dude. Oh, for sure. Yeah, that's not even. That's gonna. This throwout bearing's gonna hit like right here and it won't let it go all the way. Because this is already pretty much the height. Like, we could just probably MacGyver it.
Yeah.
But yeah, I think we just got the fucking clutch. Fuck me, dude.
How hard is it?
I've never taken out the clutch. So,
Joaquin?
Yo. Yeah, I have.
cool.
Perfect.
Damn, bro.
Money.
Dude. We own like 4. 412.
Hey,
Austin's
whoa,
like,
whoa. It's starting to get a little expensive.
that's his price.
But, alright, cool. You okay with natural light? No.
Push that back.
Where's that other
Some
little
PBR, bro? Huh?
piece of wood we had? That other little one we used. Oh, fuck, it's right there.
Damn. And the car's loud enough to move. Fuck, dudes.
Did it stand out?
Yeah, to put it across. Oh, that's gonna be easier.
So glad we thought about this.
I was in between this one.
Come down.
Whoops. Nice. Perfect. Now we just gotta not let it fucking tip over. Yeah.
What? Tetanus?
No.
Clutch dust.
Clutch dust. It's hella bad. You don't want to be breathing that shit in.
Really?
Yeah.
Huh.
This clutch is fucked. Look at that. God damn. I've never seen. I honestly have never seen this. Holy shit.
Now we can still use it.
We can still use the throw-up bearing though. That's fine. Here's a clutch on the new engine.
Fucking those wheels are so fucking dope. Every time I see them, I'm like, God damn, dude, that's so dope.
They're about to salt heavy?
Yeah.
Imagine.
I don't want to touch it now.
Yeah, please don't touch this.
Yeah, I'm trying to poison everyone here.
Yeah. What do you say?
Fucked.
Fuck. Yeah, especially that one, huh?
Oh yeah, this one. I thought you were showing this one. I didn't want to touch it.
Nah.
But yeah.
I'm holding it like a fucking vinyl record.
Yeah, yeah. Like a fucking 45.
Yeah.
Damn, Austin.